Let's talk about how to use the 2000F Flooring Nailer from Powernail. Okay, this is a great nail gun here. I'm going to go through the real basic stuff on it real quick just to show you how it works. Alright, let's load the gun first, okay? See that? Little release right here. Slide it open. Take your package of flooring cleats and the little heads, see how they're sticking out right there? They're going to go down, fit right there in that groove on top. Right there. Okay, so going to slide right in place. Just close the door. That part's done. Now let's talk about clearing jams. Let's take the nails out. So we open this up, they're going to shoot right in our face. Take the Allen wrench that came with the box. There's 4 Allen screws right here in the front. You don't got to take them out, just loosen them up. When you're loosened up, you can slide this front plate down, it pops off. You have access right there to where the nails are. Okay, there's the hammer that comes down. So you can clear your jams, and then putting it back, it's very simple. Okay, make sure it's the right side going down. That's going to be flush. Put it the wrong way, well, you're going to have the groove there showing. And this is going to be wrong here as well. Okay? So it's pretty obvious which way it should sit back. And just tighten the Allens back up. Okay. Now these guns need to be oiled. Comes with a little bottle of oil. Okay? How do you oil it? Really simple. For those of you new to air guns, just a couple of drops inside there before you use it. Now if you're going to use it all day long, you know, take a break at lunch and throw a few more drops of oil in it. That's really as simple as that. How do you adjust the flexible foot? Okay, that's pretty easy. Right here, you're just going to loosen it up. So with the slide, you're going to stick the tip of the gun right there in the tongue. Drop this down. Let it lay flat on the floor. Right here, this should be flat with the floor. It should be in, and then we're just going to tighten it back up. Boom. Okay, now if it doesn't tighten up tight enough, like you're like, wait a second, that's not really tight. This right here, this handle, you can lift it up. I'm trying to show you, I'm trying to block the view. You can lift it up, it's spring loaded, and slide it over, drop it back down on the nut, and then it changes the position of the handle there, the little tiny handle. But I already have mine in a good spot, so I'm going to put it, oops, not there. Right there. You want it to be able to loosen up properly and be able to tighten it up well so it doesn't come loose while you're using it. Just stick it in. That's the basics on how to use 2000F Flooring Nailer. Loading it, clearing jams, adjusting the foot, oiling it. Okay, so we're talking about maintenance and use and all that stuff there. Quick video, but good to have, especially for you who are new to these nail guns. If you would take a moment, subscribe to my channel, check out my website, take a look down there. When you hit the subscribe button, click on that bell so you get notifications. So every time I make a new video, you get notified for that. My website's got all my videos out there, organized really well, and there's an additional video for you to watch up there. Guys, thanks again.